jars, like one of these, into pretty garden lights like these. The first thing you need to do is wash your jars and take off the labels. Then we printed out some cute pictures and then we cutted them out. Then we painted the lids a nice shade of green, but you can do it any color you want. To stick the pictures in the jar, you use PVA glue. This can be quite messy and very tricky to get it all in, but I think it's worth it in the end. We used fake grass at the bottom and we put chicks and bunnies in them. But you can put whatever you like in it. The last thing you need to do is get some small lights like fairy lights or teacup lights. Then you can put the lid on, add some string and hang them wherever you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.